They're gonna now judge this bloody thing. This is my good friend. We sail on the Pearl all the time. Quite a pirate, this one is. See, the difference between Indiana Jones and myself is that I'm not afraid of snakes. He's looking at me like, you smell funny. No. When the moonlight hits and I have that bloody Cortez treasure, this happens to me.